Hello everybody, Dr. Schwaz here. Today I'm going to be showing you a different speedrun on Impact. This one will be where they spawn by the tail of the plane. You go in here with the typical setup, one scout, one engineer, one sniper, and two siphon soldiers, or one siphon and one hammer, whichever setup you choose. Alright, there will be 4 stationary spots. One of the soldiers needs to be right there on that metal door, blue door, between the blue door and that yellow line, right where I'm shooting. This is where one of the siphon soldiers is. And that's their spot. They'd run all the way down here and sort of plant the side of the plane and on the walls on their side of the plane, just right there. And then you can plant some grenades on the ground just outside of the little hall there, for stuff that walks out. As far as the other soldier, it's also a stationary spot. It's pretty much parallel to the other soldier. They will stand in the versus spawn here, right where that red line sort of breaks up. So that's where the other soldier sits. And of course, he will run down and plant in this area. You need to plant on this level. There's some spawns here. Same on the other side for that soldier. Plant down there, and then on their side, this soldier will plant on their side of the tail, inside of the tail, on the walls. Setup, basically you have a sentry shooting there, a couple more right in the middle shooting straight across, probably have a barrier right in between those pieces of cover, another sentry there. First thing you usually build is side sentries, which we eventually put up here once they're upgraded. So 2 sentries shooting down the steps into the spawn, and pretty much the same thing on the other side. We got 2 sentries when they're upgraded level 2 and 3. We'll shoot down into the spawn on the lower level, and also way back in the spawn. The scout or NG, one of them will be right here. We usually have the scout here, so they'll run down, pick up some power there, and then some inside the tail to jump over the windows, running on that side, get the power, go to the fab, which will be back there. And then the other person, usually the engineer, is sitting right here parallel to the scout. Some ways you may want to switch, so to know where that spot is. For the boss, want to plant a grenade there. That soldier that plants over there wants to plant a grenade right there to push the boss to the other side. We usually have the boss spawn on the right side of the plane. He spawns right about there. You have a decoy right there, right there. Carrier Swarmac just turns around and aggro's right to it. As far as the Fabricator goes, this goes right back here. And this little diamond square plate on the ground, just want to have it aligned right there, straightened up. It is kind of a picky fab, so you just want to make sure it's sort of even leveled from all sides. And that's pretty much Impact, the regular run of Impact where they spawn in the tail. It's a pretty sweaty run. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.